So, good morning, everyone. Today is 24th of April 2025. So, now the time in Las Vegas is 6:15 p.m. 6:15 a.m. Sorry, 6:17 a.m. So now I am checking out from my room because I have a flight at 10:20 a.m. from Las Vegas to Phoenix. So you can see I just have to press checkout button, and I have to drop access cards in a box at the ground floor. So I am doing checking out now. I am saying goodbye to my room, Harras 51006. It is not in it is not on 51st floor, but the room number is like that. There are only 12 to 15 floors in this hotel, but the room numbers they have given like that. So this is a beautiful hotel. It is only $60 per night. Excellent. Just beside McDonald's, Denny's, Walgreens. So these are the shops or restaurants we have to visit here. Walgreens is very affordable. So we can buy water bottles, chips, biscuits, everything. So other shops are very expensive. And tea we can drink in McDonald's is only $2, small cup. So breakfast, Denny's is fine. It is just close to my hotel. And also we have Indian restaurant in Venetian, so called Curry Pot. So that is also very nice. So now I am going to Denny's for my breakfast and McDonald's for tea. And I'm on the lift. So from 51st. So you can see Walgreens is very close. It is on the strip. So it's very good supermarket in Las Vegas. Because here everything is expensive. So we can get like water, fruits, biscuits, croissants, donuts, everything. So it is open 24/7. So excellent. You can get chips. Everything is available in Walgreens. So you can see very big. So now I am going to Denny's for my breakfast. So just toast. So this is closed for maintenance. Now they are cleaning it. They will open at 7 o'clock. So then I will go to airport and have a breakfast in airport because I can't wait here till. So this is Walgreens. So excellent. Juices, beverages, wine, fresh fruit juices, everything is available. So even t-shirts and makeup kits, medicines. So all these things are available. You can see ice creams, cool drinks, everything. Excellent. Is on the strip, so we can buy everything here. No need to go to any shops. I had a tea here. It's for $1.50. It is nice. Outside is very expensive. So now I am going to. So I am saying goodbye to my hotel Harras. Excellent hotel, and McDonald's and the Denny's. So Denny's I couldn't have breakfast because it opens at 7 a.m. So I would rather go and eat at the airport. So now I am waiting at this. I have to wait at this bus stop. So bus juice, double-decker bus will come. It is every 15-20 minutes. Excellent timing. So I have already taken pass for 24 hours. So I will wait here to go to bus stop, South Strip Transit Terminal. From there I have to take 108, either 109 to go to airport. So this is a bus stop. This is the car. So they are advertising different shows in the Harras. So I have attended MBI live show yesterday. It was excellent. I have recorded videos, but I couldn't upload because it is a copyright issue. But I have enjoyed like for 1.5 hours. It is non-stop music, dance, drums, everything. So dances, excellent performance. So if you come to Las Vegas, don't miss this. Michael Jackson live show. It is only $67. So you can book online. You can book in the Harras box office. So you can book anywhere. I have booked the TIX4.com. So you can see. TIX4.com. It's close to McDonald's. So I have booked 2 shows yesterday. One is my MJ live show and one is car show. Car show is also excellent. Yeah, you can. So this is the bus I have to take to go to airport. So this is Deuce. This is a Deuce bus I have taken. So now this is going to southbound RTC terminal. From there I have to take another bus. So I am going towards airport. So there's MGM Towers, MGM Casino, where I have attended car show yesterday night around 9:30 to 11. It was excellent, but it is a bit expensive, like $90. It's fine, but it was, the feeds were amazing experience. Doing like circus feeds. They are all doing like circus feeds, and it is a rotating stage platform. It's a very big platform which rotates like tires or stage. Excellent facility. So this is Park MGM right side, and straight ahead is MGM. So that is New York Casino. You can see Harry Reid Airport. So Las Vegas Boulevard. So the airport is nearby, but this is bus, public bus, so there are plenty of stops before airport. This is Excalibur Hotel and Casino, and that is Mandalay Bay, very famous Mandalay Bay. Next is Luxor. Next stop is Luxor, and then after that, next is Mandalay Bay. So you can see flights taking off from the airport. So I think it used to be McCarran International Airport. Now they have changed the name. I don't know why. Looking like Egyptian mummy. That is W. Another famous hotel chain. This is Mandalay Bay. So this is almost end of the strip, Mandalay Bay. This is southbound bus terminal. So it will stop at bay number 9. Bay is nothing but bus stop. So I have to take 109 bus to go to airport. So it looks like 109 is already going. So no problem. Buses are very frequent in Las Vegas. So I just wait for maybe 10 minutes. Then I can get a bus to airport. This is excellent bus. So this is the bus I have taken from my hotel Harrah's to this southbound transit terminal. You can see. So now it is going back to downtown or strip and Fremont Street. So it is northbound. So you can see 6 for 2 hours pass and $8 for 24 hours. We can take 24 hours pass, or we can take 3 days pass. It is excellent. So we can go everywhere in the strip, on the strip. Those bays are bay 1 to 9 are for only passengers, unloading passengers. So this bay 10 to 18 is for loading. Means so if we want to catch any bus or change the bus, so we have to just come here and we can take the bus. So now I have to check for bus number 108 and 109. So this is excellent facility. So there is no confusion. So everything is written, displayed properly. So this is 104. I think this will not go to airport. So you can see the map, bus timings, everything, departure times and weekdays, weekends, and also map. So it is not going to airport. I think only airport is CX, 108 and 109. So I will check that now. So Bay 18 as the security, he said Bay 18 is for airport. So you can see 109 northbound. So that is a stop where bus will come and it goes to airport. So airport is only 10-15 minutes from here, but Uber is expensive, so better to avoid and better to take this bus. మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.